Hey guys, Justin Johnson, MarineMax in St. Pete. Today I have the privilege of showing you a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 310 SLX outboard. This one in particular has the 400 V10s. This is a rare option as they're new to the market, and this pushes the boat extremely well. And as we work our way through the spacious swim platform, we notice Sea Ray's awesome lounge that they do back here. Very comfortable for two people. You have controls for your radio back here as well as a phone charger. Can't forget about our sunshade that is retractable. Working through the boat, we work into our cockpit. And again, Sea Ray does a fantastic job with their seating. This is a comfortable boat for 10 plus people and room for everybody's belongings. Beautiful teak table here. And of course, we can't forget about our grill. This is electric. It's ran off an inverter system along with our refrigerator. Again, just beautiful design. Sea Ray does very well with maximizing space. Working our way through to the helm here. Again, we have the seat that's going to swivel face inwards for more entertainment for you and all of your guests, so the captain's not discluded. And a beautiful, well-integrated dash. Sea Ray does such a fantastic job up here, keeping the captain in mind. Easy switches, all your access for your lighting, your sunshade, everything's going to be at arm's reach here on the dash, along with our joystick to make docking a lot easier on this boat. And a very, very spacious head for a 31-foot boat. Extremely spacious. Glove box for all your phone, keys, wallets for you and all of your guests, along with a built-in phone charger in here as well. Working forward to the bow. Again, we can't talk about it enough how great Sea Ray does with their seating. I mean, this is a comfortable area for 4 people, 2 of which can lounge very comfortably. There's 6 cup holders total up here just in the bow, which is amazing. Controls for your stereo system, along with access to your windlass and just tons of storage under every single one of these cushions. Again, there's not much more you could say about this boat. It's fantastic. Again, this is Justin Johnson here at MarineMax in St. Pete. We'll see you on the water.